This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on predictive text on your Android phone. So just open up the keyboard. I'm just going to go to where it says search down here. And then you should see a settings option on the keyboard. Just press this option right here. And open this up. Now we can see corrections and suggestions. We can go on down under suggestions. So there's a few of them we can turn on. Suggest words in line with typing. Suggestive strip shows suggestions and access features right here. Word suggestions. So we probably want these two on. Next, word suggestions. Use previous context to suggestions. So you can just turn some of these on under here. And then go back. Now let's type in a word. And see if it pops up. Let's do hotel. We got Hobby Lobby, hotel, there we go, hotels near me. We can just look at all these different hotels. So there are some suggestions that will pop up now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.